Much like keyboards have grown in popularity among typists and gamers for their precision, build quality, and value, electricity usage monitors have become essential for homeowners and businesses who want to understand and control their power consumption. In this guide, we evaluate 5 of the best electricity usage monitors. List 1. Emporia View 3 Home Energy Monitor, Smart Home Automation Module, and Real-Time Electricity Usage Monitor. Power Consumption Meter. The Emporia View 3 Home Energy Monitor is a standout choice for homeowners looking to track energy usage in real time. It connects directly to your home's electrical panel, providing circuit-level monitoring with high accuracy. Its smart home integration and mobile app allow you to see where your energy is going, and even set up automations to save more. Installation is straightforward for a qualified electrician, and the app interface is intuitive and feature-rich. For those serious about lowering their power bill and identifying energy hogs in the house. List number: Smart Home Energy Monitor with 1650A circuit-level sensors. Measure power usage in real-time, history with app. If you want granular detail about your electricity usage, this Smart Home Energy Monitor with 16 circuit-level sensors is a fantastic option. It monitors individual appliances and circuits up to 50A each, giving you precise data on every part of your home. With real-time updates and historical tracking through its app, you can easily identify inefficiencies and adjust habits accordingly. The included sensors clip onto your panel, and while installation is best done by an electrician, the payoff in control and savings is worth it. List 9. Emporia View 3 Commercial 3-Phase Smart Energy Monitor. Business and home automation device with real-time usage. For businesses and larger properties with three-phase power, the Emporia View 3 Commercial Energy Monitor is an excellent choice. Designed to handle higher loads and monitor 3 phases accurately, it delivers real-time data and integrates seamlessly with smart home and business automation systems. With its user-friendly app, you can view consumption trends, compare usage, and pinpoint areas for improvement. Installation should be handled by a professional electrician due to its complexity. List more. Eyedro Business 3-Phase Energy and Solar Monitor. Net metering. High-resolution electricity usage data. The Eyedro Business 3-Phase Energy and Solar Monitor is ideal for businesses or solar-equipped properties that want a detailed view of their energy profile. Supporting net metering, it tracks both consumption and solar production, making it invaluable for optimizing energy usage and understanding ROI from solar panels. Its cloud-based dashboard offers high-resolution data, customizable reports, and real-time monitoring. With reliable hardware and detailed analytics, this monitor is perfect for facilities managers and business owners aiming to manage costs and sustainability efforts. List 9. Smart Home Energy Monitor supports Home Assistant, real-time accurate energy consumption tracking. For tech enthusiasts and smart home users, this energy monitor with Home Assistant support is a top pick. It integrates seamlessly into your existing smart home ecosystem, letting you track real-time consumption data alongside your other smart devices. Compatible with most breaker panels and offering accurate circuit-level tracking. It helps you identify waste and automate smarter energy habits. The included app is clean and easy to use, with support for advanced configurations via Home Assistant.